Okay, in this Scratch video, we're going to look at how you can ask some simple maths questions. So, we're going to think about how we start it. So, I'm going to start it as I would normally do when something is clicked. And then what we want to do is ask a simple maths question. So, if I come down here, there's a nice useful set of blocks here under sensing. And if you look here, it says ask. In this case, it says what's your name and weight. So I can change this. I can say ask what is 2 plus 5. I can ask that as a question. Now, what I then want to do is get the answer, and the answer is this part here. So I now need to do a little bit of logic, and that means I need to do a little bit of a test. So I'm going to use the if something, then do this, else do something else. So here we're going to say if the answer equals something, then say correct, and if it's wrong, else you'll say no, you got it wrong. So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to need to know that they're going to type in 2 plus 5, so they'll get 7. So I need to say if the answer equals 7. So if I come down to the green operators block here, you can see we've got lots and lots of operators: plus, take away, multiply, divide. I've got some greater than or less than. Oh, here we go, equals. So I can say if answer equals not 50, but in this case the answer is 7, I can then get it to do something. So if answer equals 7, I want to say, well done, you got it correct. So let's go to looks. I'm going to say, well done, you got it correct. Well done, you got that right. Let's say that instead. So that means that if the answer is that, say, well done, you got that right. Otherwise, or else, so the false part of this is else we want to say, no, you got that wrong. So I'll say, no, you got that wrong. Oh, bit of spelling mistake there. Got that wrong. Okay, so now if I try this and press the green flag, I've got what is 2 plus 5. I'm going to enter 7. Going to click on the tick, and hopefully it should say, well done, you got that right. Now if I do it again, what is 2 plus 5, and I'm just going to put 2, obviously getting it wrong, and hopefully it should say, no, you got that wrong. So what we've used is an if, then, else block that's saying if something is correct, then do this, else, if it's wrong, do this. So we've got a nice little program there that will ask a simple question, and we might be able to use some of that in our games that we're going to create over the next week or so. Thank you for listening.